Hey guys, and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be reviewing the DeWalt DCPW550B, and this is they call it a 550 psi power cleaner. Now this is the tool only, so it doesn't come with a battery. So let's get it unboxed. First impressions, this thing is a beast. It is big. It is not terribly light. Looks like a plastic piece there to screw your hose onto. It does come with some fittings here in a nice mesh bag. I guess you use that bag to leave your stuff in so it doesn't get all nasty when it's trying to dry. Looks like a turbo nozzle. You get 25, a 15, and a 40-degree tips. And this is your hose connection here. And I'm assuming this is just to cover the battery, just to make it waterproof. Twist block. We'll start with the 25-degree on her car there. It does have the hose here. I guess you could use that like a foam gun, spray soap on your car. This is with the 25-degree tip. I mean, that's nothing. I mean, you stick your hand in front of it. Okay, let's try the turbo tip. Maybe it'll do something better. Okay guys, there's your results. So it will clean a little bit with the turbo nozzle on there. This is definitely not a pressure washer, like a gasoline powered pressure washer. Probably not even as good as these electric pressure washers you get from somewhere like Harbor Freight. But I mean, it's kind of neat, I guess. I'm gonna let my daughter play with it, washing her car, and get her thoughts on it, and we'll continue this review. Don't get too close to it. That one will strip the thing off. I don't think that one will strip the thing off. Oh yeah, that one will. So awkward. I know, it is awkward. It's heavy. Big and heavy.
Might as well just be a regular water hose.
You can make it a stronger stream by putting that other one. So that's a no as a foam gun.
Ew.
It's a no. So tell me your overall impressions of this contraption here.
It's a 5 out of 10.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
10 being
Might as well
something
just
that.
be using a regular hose nozzle. This is nothing special. Love DeWalt, but
They missed the mark on.
Not impressed.
Did they miss the mark on this one?
Couldn't get all the bugs off, so no, don't buy it.
Don't waste your money.
Just go buy a new Harbor Freight hose nozzle every 6 months. Okay, this is the second foam gun I've tried. Not impressed. Neither one of them were any good. First one was from Harbor Freight. It was like 20 bucks. Obviously, it didn't work. This one, how much was this one?
I think I paid like $80 for it.
$80? Same thing.
Did it even get the bugs off the front of your car?
It got the majority of it. but some of them are still there with the little attachments.
Yeah. Don't waste your money. It's on the DeWalt pressure washer. Go get you a real pressure washer, or probably one of those electric ones from Harbor Freight would be better than this. But I guess if this is all you had, it's better than nothing. Thanks for watching.